We live in a world in which information and content are overwhelming. We try to show our crazy lives to everyone out there while we are slowly unlearning what really matters. We are looking for a deeper connection while we get lost in the noise around us. We tell lies to people we do not like to get attention we do not care about. We try to find ourselves in an illusion of reality which does not exist. We do not judge others based on their actions or words, but their appearance and money. We create for likes, but not for pleasure. We create for influence, but we forget to tell our story. We collect pictures, but we forget our memories. We do not create.